Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT GTS 2E and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable Amazon Alexa on this watch. Before we start, if you want to enable Alexa on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Zepp application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Zepp application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon to open the profile page. On the profile page, you should see the list of my devices, and on the list you should see AMAZFIT GTS 2E. Tap on it to select it. Now scroll down through this page, find the category called App Settings, and under the App Settings you should see Amazon Alexa. Tap on it, tap on Agree. This will redirect you to this page. Tap on Login into Amazon. It will open the browser, internet browser with the Amazon website. Now tap on the Get Started. Tap on Continue Setup. And now we need to log in into Amazon account. If you don't have an account, you can always create a new one by tapping on Create a new Amazon account. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap right here, enter the email address and password, so give me a couple of seconds. Okay, and once you're done, you can tap on Sign In to log in. Oh, I must have entered the password wrong, so give me a couple of seconds more. Like that, and try again. Okay, this time it worked. And after you log in, you will see that basically Zepp wants to access the Alexa, and you need to tap on the Allow button to allow it. And after you allow it, you will see that in the app, the page changed. You don't have the login button anymore. You have this page. You can change the language for the Alexa, and you can also tap on Exit button. Don't tap on it for now. If you want to change the language for your Alexa, you can tap right here and scroll through the list of languages, find the language you would like to use, and tap on it to select it. And then tap on OK. I'm just gonna change it back to English. And now I'm gonna show you how to use the Alexa on your watch. So at this point, the Alexa is activated on your watch. You can close the application and it should be working. So you can press and hold the middle button to activate the Alexa, and then you can say the command. Tell me a joke. Let's try again. Tell me a joke. And here we have it. As you can see, it's working. You can also reactivate it by tapping on this icon right here. What's the weather like? Okay. Let's close the Alexa by pressing the side button. And that's how you enable the Alexa. And if you want to disable it, you need to open the Zepp application again. Let me close it and reopen it. Tap on Profile, select the AMAZFIT GTS 2E. Scroll through the page, tap on Amazon Alexa. And on this page, you can tap on Exit button to basically log out and disable the Alexa. So now when you try to activate it, it will tell you that you need to log in to the Amazon account to use the Alexa voice assistant. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Amazon Alexa on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.